Have you ever wondered if one moment of failure could overshadow your entire journey? After Peter denied Jesus 3 times, he was overwhelmed with guilt and doubt, feeling unworthy of his calling. Yet, the risen Jesus sought him out by the sea, sharing a simple meal and asking 3 times, "Simon, son of Jonas, lovest thou me?" Each time Peter answered, "Yea, Lord, thou knowest that I love thee." Jesus then said, "Feed my sheep." John 21, verse 15 to 17. Rather than condemning Peter, Jesus restored him, reaffirming his purpose and mission. This powerful encounter was witnessed by people of all backgrounds, light-skinned, tan-skinned, and brown-skinned, showing that grace and restoration are offered to all. We all stumble and face doubt, but like Peter, our past mistakes do not define us. Jesus invites us to rise anew, embrace forgiveness, and walk boldly into our calling. Have you ever felt trapped by your failures? What might change if you truly embrace the hope of restoration? Share your thoughts below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.